ala baraka bake atal men ka jif tang stv jive afele mutanen kote ke kana programo di alla di koren reality show kal hako dan drum na kamuntan dal daka di alla arami salon wala bar comme ko wal kenya drum ma kino kono barbi afele mutana kana programo di alla di koren reality show alnal badi male ibrahima jara atal men ka jibe roke ka fale ko ala baraka bake al kana programo jibe nyame barkal wakilende al kal molla programo jibe andum fana al kali like al kali share fana bake andum fana ka fale ko ale subscribe to our YouTube channel on Give Thanks TV ka fale ko ala baraka bake alka wato min da ka bulana programme wol no bi fana fele murtana arjumalon kana programme di alla koren reality ko wol mi yalon ko wolle be kering nka wolle kacha bake annum bi mi yalon ko wolle be programme to wala honorable ala haji hecho mi yalon ko atalen ci maral national assembly member di al yalon ko voter registration amo fenet mi yalon ko abe kering ne fang honorable afindita don kibar ketol bala kay silendro ke akasi IEC asi sambano kiti yolala kabri wato mi yalon ko dindi ngodol bije mi yalon ko register non din kirado don bo kacha la bake anin ku ko de mi yalon ko wolle be tarro dandi December 4th presidential election on yembe o kachala bake o nyama ala baraka bake alka Give Thanks TV jibe nyama bi fanam a fele murtanan kana programme di ala de Korean reality show with honorable ala haji hecho mi yalon ko atle jimara national assembly member a baraka bake a honorable ngi soto na programme to nyama de Korean reality
a baraka bake jara nga ngi tentu bake ngi jay inela timo be munketa Give Thanks TV ti nga badin juberal fanam be konton Gambia ani Gambia la bantala andu nge welcome
baraka bake honorable thank you yow boni opportunity men na prunga kacha akamunta ka commencer drum janding nyillo ko ngoni babulala kono almo multi mi yalango al tatanum Kenya la dam yalango al yawa brief state soto dinkrani mone malla proposte national assembly select committee on trade ngamire ba walto alla tani je Kenya muna necessity wala muna sab
abarka ila nyininkaro kumata bake ngalo ne kabrim bota Kenya nyin questiono journalist ne man nyininka, and I'm so even some member of the trade committee. I don't think for journalists approach pour nyininka and it's always important go nyun katama ga taxpayers la kodole use dolni wo kodole katama kana tiketo kuntuje ikapadium jo mol laje, so it is always important nyim mol murta pour Gambianol ya long mune mol samba wolati naila nyinin karo kumayata bake tol be ngalon ne Gambia kabring coronavirus sita price nying it was a problem Gambia ja because mo kawuli dorong ala price o lafa anu nyim price o lafa ta mol be alon mol nene maje price o ji Gambia nya lafa ta akadanjel bari ka ji no wo bukake anu wato be sila ay lafa fana, so niaje wo bebe kela price control wole mantra care in Gambia. Mol nata wo jube as a committee we invite the relevant stakeholders mo yalonko itolle bulol dundi julayala kuoto this court diam tantol damal tema bari nga jube ko Kenya mo bankoti mo yalonko itolle julaya kuol fama fam bake ni tata Kenya price control bije andu nyin kol ka sele nyamin aka ji nyamin wo bebe wote Kenya, so ntata je story to la prunga jube mbe wo luwa sifal nati la Gambia ka Gambia dingolu mako yara molu mambata because Gambia jan sometime ka molje bagasol sang ya mabo nim bagasol mankita drum dene wo bagaso fintindi ka price ning hayindi nyara luwa be kere no munka wo cold stop no yalo wo bete kenola bari nyin luwa mantra caring pour ka wo cold stop is very difficult ye mo approach ya fa ite ka munkete nga mambete anya samba kito la be boyndila, so wala mol la siloti nung Kenya antol tara je ka kela GRA antol we call it GRA itol they call it KRA ila revenue authority ila national assembly members mo yalon ko itol le marta trade quarter anin ila bunda marta julayala Kenya anin Ministry of Trade dadan tolni wol be nyoje kachata nga documents all be safe nyanta nyimurta na nyanta submilla to the chambers wala ke the National Assembly nin parliament resumta
akamunta wati jamal bije député bungo ale oversight function mi yalon ko ale wol soto ale sita no le ale nyin sifal kino ale recommendation but pour ka enforce o wala ka luwal nyin tamandi wala nyin recommendation pour que tamandi o to executive level wati jamal bije pour que ñun enforce ak mu fenet mi yalon ko aka kole ya bake foy jikita ko ale nyin recommendation wala be men parendira pour ka di executive la foy ba tamandi la
ngamira if the executive are serious nyata serious ta itolle nyanda kila mo folol ti mo nyi welcome nyata imela on interest je ye Gambia je ngamira itolle nyanda kila mo foloti mumbe nyin support la gontol be ngalon Gambianol mote keri mum mambata ja nyajube tulu bidongo from 900 to $1,700 in fact $1,800 that's what we are buying it in Basse so executive wolf and a family so haniara itol kodo manke la problem modi but they are family members niata balafa so to Gambiano le ngalon they will be the first guys pour ka work will support okay yeah
akamunda the Gambia la economy amo fenet mi alon ko tax based economy la aba laring namo ne kanon ka jele wati ni wati man sakunda e ka namo la fale fengol kam mi alon ko fa akamunda wala kanana banko nyinga kabin altara Kenya aliye wala ila komi ya fo nyame ko ka ko man kiare la ila revenue authority ni ila revenue collection o ya lande mu nekan anila ministry of trade ka ko wol ka nyaadil
nyajube nte nka fole sometimes nying price la fanying executive le ka cost because ntete nano la ite item business manot for ite la bagaso de this karo ibe 1 million le jola because ite fanang ika sandulato ika nati ka waf sa nying government ko GRA ka collect from because if the Capriya Jamme Bijang, you know, we are collecting $500 million per month. Baronat ako doyar, samba to $800 million. Ako doyar, saying GRA is collecting $1 billion per month. Saying GRA nada, GRA ka also tontol kang, especially the businessmen. Ni ko saying altol ntol kanyine collect karo albulu. Yalo itol fanam foya lafa ko, foya la price lafa. So in Kenya, it's a different issue. You see? So, ngamira Gambia jantol government le yake for price all higher. Government the more dote and nin call mumbe Gambia mantra banku dote.
Okay, apart away from that, akamunda nyi watin kon imo multimi yalon ko kabri bara Kenya itara dame wala njimarati adami yalon ko tumi role findita ko manka mankunda registration center bijela barale tumi role ke kafo imo multimi yalon ko idinde ngol register atanyen la nyedo nyin nata na nyadile
Kabrin nata Friday the following morning munketa Saturday di wol ngole voters registration or datita Gambia be ngalon Jimara is a very sensitive area. Okay. The reason why ninga for Baro Botaje, Kande Botaje, Be Botajimara, it's always important Ninku Kakeje Molia monitor, not only me, but the entire Gambians. Because sometimes Tolbenga alon President Sembo Munsoto. Hani atema kalamuta, but some of its supporters ala supporter dolu it all be lafila kawo symbol used like what was happening in Yaya Jamme's time because exactly dol benga lo ne Yaya Jamme's time ibe mo jela jaka fu yes ndebe APRC ntolle be mansa benyin ko le kela you see so wo ngawo bonding ko Yaya Jamme ka wole kon some of those things ayata Yaya Jamme ma kala mutabare ala molle ka woki but then exactly the same thing or more than that wole be kekan in Jimara. Okay. Certain individual moyalonko they are supporting the president. Itol kalafi kasembo use promol moyalonko they are not supporting the president. Wale nan roster je pruka call monitor. In fact, before I get to Jim around that very day, I received a call from one of my party agent in Saraboja. Ako Ninu Narajan, the former governor of the region, Umar Somposise, and the NPP regional chairman. Itol nata jang iko inata call monitor pour molu la registration o betala nyame nko bari mune basela chairman mumma wulu jimara te mune lon jimara mune asije you think but I'm on the way coming futara dorong then the other party agent called me in Mankamankunda ako itol de jebe nyaming ate diam dafa batata registration o kata nyaming amanta o nyama Amantra kataku, exactly. Albembala lealon fulola mania kama abuka sene. Ako abukata nyama. Nko okay, mune be caring. Ako dindingol mu yalon ko dindi mereng ibe wor register kan. Nko foi ma fo IEC officer mumbije. Ako afa bari ako ate a safe doro. Nko ka safe doro ngewol bula. Ako iko after the registration we can challenge it to court. Nko Jamal wala time osotla. Because after registration we are going for election. Foi lapta mol ye trackcode barobe mol campaign ka pour nga chance di barol. Nko let them stop it. I call the CEO of the IEC Sambujang. Nako be explain I. Ako okay, let me wait. He will call the regional returning officer in Basse. Malong va call or ma call, bari ngawo call ngako explain I. Ako okay, they will stop it. A mamme fanang I call. Ako there is 2 foreigners to 3. Do ay bitiko soto barola kordar. Gine ngawla bota murtani o marok narolom nar fing nar mo fingol.
Okay.
Bota I think murtani o marok bare abe barola bitiko to je ala korda bundar ala bitiko bijel. Ako woe ay de bota scar soto. Ako do fanam bijeo bota Madina Guna Senegal wo mu becekti bari sa bitikindi ngolo mankama o fana ya soto. Then man do fanam bije wo katanta ngole kosi ni kadum mankama on the right hand side abijele.
Okay.
Ate bota Guinea Bissau ako fana ya soto. Nko wow. Saying it's not only diningol mu yalon ko they are less than 18 years. Saying ika kaito di fore I think is a alarm molye fem po o nga jube mba stop la nyamin because nde nga jube nyamin the purpose of having that polling station in Mankamankunda kabringa mo je ka so na hakilo e oma ngos je itol ba fola ha bayri baro botaje ni momo nata dorong molte monitola they can do anything they want to do so wolen na I keep eyes on Mankamankunda la registration la in fact the entire Jimara is only Mankamankunda muya issue so every day report all canal and the boy mumbije he is very smart somebody is very smart and ala diamo man si ate fengo fem fodrong yalon wole be kere so he started sending me pictures of those diningol in fact one of them aketa bullila dingoti wo is less than 18 years hani ala ding muso is less than 18 years will be asodal then amam medoro ngaje that boy that pa boy because ngaje somebody wrote it on Facebook that one pa boy baro is less than 18 bullila dingolo ma asodal which is real after 3 days ngaje ID card of fintin ngaje social media Vairinteko war is less than that and we are taking note, we have evidence, we will challenge the result to court. A new parade will challenge them to court. Along for Silanta Olaba, the following day border immigration, itata ID card or print way. The ID card so ning ID card ning along near a date munaya print date kataragele, but a date ning reverse to January.
Oh.
Yeah, so baby caring there's a lot of abnormalities. Kununko dorong. There were 2-3 people mu yalan koy bota Casamas. One is I think Usman, the other one Abulai Sabali. The third one Kabrin Diamo Siata ate Borta. Borta line dulata Borta. Then the other 2 people yela wala kaitol sis iman sonka votas card di wala.
But how will be access soto do ka nyadi la bari a kamunda pour yeke motimi yalan ko yeta pour IEC la do kula le kayto nyindil is ida first attestation o bonde wala passport wala ID card e kamun kayti la bonde pour ka IEC la mol campaign ko etal de Gambia.
Yeah, recently IEC press release fintinde iko each party anyanta agent killing ne soto la.
Yeah.
But I can tell you in Mankamang NPP have 3 agents. Agent do kataraje ka formal ta IEC bulu ka samba alkalol adoma la shoko na kata filje. The rest of the alkalol mung ka voters register no keta Mankamankunda it will be ka si bantaje. Except Musa Jao Muyalango, he is the younger brother of the alkalo of Mankama. I take a formal field ala shokon. Akataraje one of the NPP agent wo kana ka formal ta ka samba aya shokono I formal field da dimo la wife inta inara ngoka. So alon tapale start again. Because kunung ngamo the same Musa Jao a reactor na o interview to. Bonte mbavula Musa ko before I talk janninka diam nka evidence sotole Musa we work together he was with the GDC andung jawo kundankolo mte musana nte muso kundankon sana umalumati ndede Musa tinyala bari nyunku mantara ke kanga nyama. This is not Jimara alone, it's the entire Gambia. I'm representing Jimara and the entire Gambia. And I'm not representing GDC drong. Jimara Bele represent Gambia be. Either you are NPP, UDP or any political party. As far as Ibota Jimara, these 5 years I represent, including Adam Barrow. So you see? So kabring awo fo ari acta kontenga mum fo abe manke tonyadi bari abe sene ala ni ala sonta.
So akamunda as of now nantana nunko ibe claim sol mem foka as of now atala record ali mo jelle soto mi yalon ko wal manyaka a voters card soto andu ya kayto nyindi la manka mankunda as of now ali mo jelle soto
ani yaje mallafika jema fo wato minam fuda dan kata dami because last time diamta iborta last time kabrin diamta itol iborta itata isata ka voters card bondi diningole with the immigration officers. The same people I can tell you kabrin diamta yalon kelo ketanu manka mankunda itol damal tema kabrin diamo siara je dindingol reject over 16 of them ila agendo one Ibrahim Balde uraro ay fomolta ko akata Gambisara pour ka birth certificate ñini wo dinungole yaye bari kabringa information o moy alon tol kasi nka information o be soto and some of those information are facts so kabringa o moy dorong ndefana nyanta mun kela ngawoke ngalo itata je e murundi de mango soto
bar jama kabiri nyin kibaro nyim fintita MPP la mol mi yalon ko waldi am ta kibar tala dole ikoy ko this is laughable comme nyim fenen mi yalon ka bentel jele ndal man interest soto wala man nafa soto pour ka nyin kusi fa ko ko mi yalon ko illegal man tan da bula la akonyo including dushano aya fono ala kumol kono la ko natara nun ko be mol kanyela abe kala gambe dingol le fon be carte fayla wala be opposition kanyela ta kala ko be mo bon la nam bantal be men fa la wala
dube o folale bar itol fengo fembe kekan registration of foreigners, registration of diningol, abe NPP lo, wole ka wokedi. Inene maje UDP yake. Inene maje APRC yake, inene maje GDC yake. Itol damalum, then ni lata ifanna, you will stop. You will stop, and on the same people, itol le karanun round ka formal feel, if you are less than 18 years, 17 years. I have the forms. I share it sometimes back on social media. Kabri ko manke tonyari. Nara molbe woj. Say mune keta ni if you are less than 17 years, why did they write your name on those forms? That mean he left a kaitol ni laite. Say ni lata ifana, why are they doing that? Do kamumfo, do malon ya kamumfo. It only was citizens they are pulling back.
So iti amira then what is the motive then natara nunko ibe okay kan komite ba allege kanyame wala ba fo kanyame mune motive why are you doing that muna ne ba okay kan
because they know that they are going. New water ya that year. In fact, I can tell them let them start packing. Pour kadula nyimbula Gambia la sira onye ejebula. Ni ajebe obekela iman la ifan. Because ni la de fan na itol kamum fo nyami. They already won the election. Why are they doing those things? Which is not normal. Anin lua mantranyola. Anin lua fam man katanyola. Ni ara ila de fan na den ye obula. Bari iman la ifan na yalo neko karte fayo kanasi ni man woke. Ite win andung I can tell them if ni atra itata Senegal maki fanati maki sat anala government be register ja ni election nata mol be bute la comme ça diningol mol be bute la in fact 30% they will not get it.
No,
I'm telling you.
You know we have seen instances that me along ko nyamena by election or that me along ko aldi amudale ali afula albe win ale anni nata nan things torn apart anni nata nan pa yal gagné nyami along ka sangarata bage so ni ko bal gagné la this time around is that not very simplistic.
Jara, that was GDC and NPP and it's 34 or less than that or 36. I don't think nyamina la sate better bit all. And in Kerjarga, we vote and a constituency. Nye in fact nye wol dulal flol be kafu. Dela jimaral be talala wol tisinya hul. So wo and in Gambia is different, and one in GDC drong is different. So nyata wole be baro nene ka ayta ala kodo safe. Pour nya bota president la kodo soto ay muru ala business soto. So it's gonna be a different this time. Inshallah, this is the entire Gambia, not Nyamina, not Kerjarga.
but ni be power sola I asked Mr. Mbalo se ko Mbalo nga nyinin ka nyin question wala ado ambe fana nyinin kala wala ka nyinin ka alla base alla sembo be nyadi le NPP ya GDC in Jimara considering the 2016 presidential election dami alanko GDC won ngaje National Assembly he won if GDC ganyeta koteke but the same thing as we speak NPP la supporters including the president or advisor Mr. Mbalo ay tan ko NPP la sembo membela in Jimara amantra parti bulo ma fa nyen
ala akawole vo nyama fo baro ta kontana because some of them baro appoint them pure kuma dima fo baro e bari wato be sila ngata be nyotar laje itol nganyolon ni pareta ate duo sekuo including baro e bula moto nyaato wo fulo e bula moto koma yeta ambe nyot ante damale ngenoje talkless of kande so ni pareta yeta ibe moltol be munkela o paretal.
So yes still la fa la GDC support base membe ngajele mo jamal leve GDC me yalon ko ibota je sawunta president la party to NPP in fact ala party me lora alla mo jamal bije ay wal saba ya mera kunu membe je anen bi membe je difference man traje
but not in Jimara tell them to tell you one individual mum bota GDC in fact it all la molle kabo ila party otena GDC so Jimara we are still strong and we will continue to strong in Jimara hante damale be butela je fo e bor Jimara tokle seata kande mantaje itol mo sabol mo yalon ko baro wol katandi fanna Jimara dingol duo sekuo including baro himself musulata o sabol be during the campaign be taraje baro kana si jande gos nya tartaja hani one vote ita sotla so let him join them in Jimara I will meet with them there kande retala then itol mo sabatron le betarlaje now ray bela moto tulaje nyala sonta I'm telling you
but you are very confident nakamunda man linga twa welcome be ko tok skip kamunda pour ka diamo so ni ata bag but pour ka tamande and in fact in Africa ka même fo incumbent la ko mo fende mi ala ka man sonia president mo be sirin ala fero si atale anu fana ka bondi akola ata bag ite atale mum campaign mechanism wala campaign tool la lemna soro albe men kino la kaje ko ala support base retain in makam
in Jimara you see jara yaje mol ka fo president ka bondi among dia nte ka fo la dia tale special baro ka wutu je baro ni atra fennom ala root sol man dum folo ya jamme tarta jang 22 years ka bring gambianol batar ya wutu ya bondi so baro amanke ka smuta tende ka bondi ka pus doron ka bondi wala be barot because Jimara the issue is let you do ena or baro fang I don't want to talk about do and say I want to talk to baro ena I finti I na si teleto nte fana nga si teleto a fonye ay muneke Jimara one project
mol kam même fo wala president unprecedented development yuru wa ko mi yalon ko nana ma bi asifa je wala ke yuara
but I'm talking about Jimara because the only project nga mun long ay munke Jimara wala mu salon ning fatoto la silon apart from that, let them come and tell us.
But what more
Jimara, there is no project.
What more do you expect from the president? Jimara call.
Bib from near base call. I don't know if Alman correspondent sort of base. Near J call.
Electricity
more than exactly electricity problem. Molbe kumbo kantol Cabriya jamme bijan. The way we are enjoying electricity in URR, Kabrim Baronata is different. Last time aketa during the Ramadan mol complaint basenkol lafta fintila eta March paske up to the governor's office. Cabriyo mo drone told diam tanga safe the following day ngaje naweg la keba fintit ako they solve the problem. Na interview sotonko aliya solve le ngal tentu ba ke ngal jay because ale mol la dia mol la mo bari kori nyimbe tentena ajube bi basenkol bebe kumboka kurang mantara bas. So it all come mumfani mumbe caring in URR is different. And I can tell you baro ba fan nene kang o molle ba nene la. Because URR baro cannot win URR. I'm not talking about Jimara, but I'm talking about the entire URR. The reason why ngafo most of these oppositions political party leaders are from URR. Yeah, Jube Baro Botaje, he is not an opposition, he is the president. Kande Botaje, Sidia Botaje, Bachili Botaje, Olbe Bota URR.
But
so Momo among these people, Hanyar ala family, they will vote for them.
No, but Niajibe Akamunta Niajibe, most of the Niajibe, the most powerful people around that end will beg a president support, including Musa Rame, the Minister of Local Governments and Land, Omo Multimialonko, aka president support. I am more cotton sort of Mialonko, you are a sembet you lemut, beg a president, Eka Walla Fasa. So will it not be difficult for Kajako support base member than the car dismantle Walantuma Kajanja?
Bare wo sembotio lika mumfoja. Musa ala ward ala sate auto GDC la candidate le winter day during the local government election and Musa was a minister. So the rest talk less of the rest. So tol ila sembo obejanne, but you cannot force the people to vote for Barrow. Fond. Ya jamile sembo soto katambi unity bara nene man Gambiano vote force vote APRC. Kabntol barada nga bondi. So Musa nyol they are just ministers. But Hani Bibi recently Kabri Pareta told after 10 days. I think we have a rally in Sandugu and Jimara. You see the turnout. And we told Koje GDC Banta jail. We are going to have another rally soon. Nima Kilo Baro Tesinola Olumo in Jimara. Monday coming next we'll have a big rally there. Olumo Baro Tesinola. And it's next to Barrow's village.
But Akamunda near URRGB Walantuma in Jimara me along Quebec will represent the assembly. Jamal Bijamin ke criticize while ke jalai equipment ke represent in Jimara. Fang wale mem for wale create man fang kem Jimara and call and you should be check out. Nyande bondila.
Saying we will more jabilale. Nte mo buga tax John Teka. And I am not sure whether député ka carte fay député pour ay fen doku
well adal député wal jama bi jalla campagne wal ka beke wal dal ka fa mo lembe silo de dal be jonna fa even tot o man tara la doku kon ka la campagne
no wol o beke la wol député wal tumu yalon ko itol malo munem député la dokoti baro mu yalon ko Gambia la arankeso be karfaring atema wo molu mun ka fonte man fenkije nyini ka baro mun kije Gambia la kodobe aka karfa baro ye project clean for nyavo de ala bungonya ala story builder mun lo mankama and ala street light so la mun ke mankama wo drong let them come and tell me then I wol mol mun ka diam mo nene man ko do dintel andu nyaata wo mol mun ka diam e damalom ala jite kala deputy de still now they are opposing me andu hani sama nyin lota nye momo londi hani baromba butel so nyite ko lo jana ikafo alaji man do ko ke je me represent yes ndema wo ko do sot andu ndetala ndete fania fola moy kabrimbe campaign wala fom pareta nene man tra lorin sate to nga fom be nyinkel bari nga fe ngofen promise mba kelale
ikoy be ka diamo député bon kono kela problème wol fadi
go to record let them go to parliament yata record they will see it from buka diamo on te diamo la itol ba jelale let them go to the record office at the National Assembly mol nga fengo fem foje abe bijele ni sulata wala alo mol nyama la fela an ya ray kuke ku kendoke itol kaaje ku jawoti
so sending
baro let me learn itol nyanda mun complain na jimara la dingo mumbe sirim Gambia la mobile nyaato president baro muye Gambia be malundi wo ma itol malu mun ka wof after promising Gambia ay malundi le di because ni aje atata meeting wala ka be ke sinoti wo manke malot kunun la boda jatata Guinea Bissau ka tata atemu baby president or what he call it ako atata wodo mu experience a dictator like Alpha Conde aremanta karandula dolto like Rwanda Paul Kagame nyole amanta jate kata Alpha Conde ako akata karanje ala kata dictator ya karanje wo manke Gambia la malot ito nyanta malla wala mumbe Gambia la nyala ikafo mu jimara dingote abe Gambiano malundi kan itol wo mammalu itol nte mu jimara ngoti wo malundi baro ke president ya ita dulal tabe sinoka baro ke president hani sa jimara mang any development sort anu baro la kodo Gambia la kodo be karfarim balol hani sa man fenke ay finte afo mole so itol ka diam dorong ya Gambia be tenne alaji nyolu man do ko ibuka diam baro e mune diam baro e mune doku
Honorable, come on, some time back in December, Cabinet President Obitaka made the people stop. If Apiata, well, if the President Barola meeting to that, statements, kuma kangol mi yalon ko ye wala fo. Kamunda mosa for you were President Baro, kamo multi mi yalon ko mo kendo le mosa attribute wala anabe do ko ke kang ala banko. What have changed within this short duration? It is statements if the president later you retract it back wala yamuru de kote.
Yeah, jara politico. Amandia adiata. Gontol benga longo wato kabring baro kata jimar dia musiata. Dolu fanka fo alaji tadale ay GDC bula. Mo jama diam, a lot of people approach me for ka GDC bula, but it's difficult. It's difficult. For nga GDC bula, what is on a well, it's gonna be something which is very difficult. And Baro as a president, tol wuluta dulato, it's always difficult. Moli ye kumo for muyalon ko aba kamfandila la wulu sateto. Because meet the people to is his constitutional right. Manta je political and tata je puruntelo mujimara representative.
No,
in
you know the statements that you uttered there were all politically motivated statements. I mean, you menu for je ya follow President Barrow kay ko jimaran ko ko ni ka dunjan suutol na. Next time ni bina yena tilibulo e be findila le ye bendung. You know, why make it and those are politically motivated statements. I mean, you giving him hope that Jimara baby at la coma.
No. Ate alone Jimara be mantra. No.
But you know, yeah, I will represent, honorable.
Okay, yes, I will represent Barry. Ate alone Jimara be malafal. I can tell you, 20 or 10%.
In fact, the MC member, Michael member said, Honorable Alaji so kanana sa President Barola, akana sa President Barola party. At that point, tell us, munek afumoli, munek ketanung with foite close tanumbake, President Barola corridor, wala tuma ala dinkranyina. What made you so close?
No, the neneman close President Barola.
That point, Honorable Musa have a close tala, obviously.
No, because then President Sita. Ngafa ko it will be difficult. Come sa nga mum foten. They Mollen elect to represent them. And I was elected under the ticket of the GDC. So near Rambe GDC Bulala. It will be difficult. I have to consult. That's what I tell him and that's what I said during the meeting. You can see sa kabring adiamo that the former chief NPP kaponat. Adun kabre adun landi jangabon. So, if I am to consult the GDC militants, Kebal Mumbije, and in the family, I'm not sure whether any of them will allow me to leave the GDC and go to NPP. But what I'm covering up for Janyanta Lonako, Atinyata. Because Ninga Momo console,
well, I have seen Omar Sise, Kabiring I president of Mike Onyimuta or Dinkrani, you tell him, Kabiring Katlafel National Assembly, Alning Kajang, Almawoke, and now you are seeing President Oman Fenke Jimara. You could have also taken the same opportunity, Honorable, and tell the president. Let me just learn. You could have taken the same opportunity. You have a president Oiko, Jimaran calls Jimaran calls, but all what you said to him, Jimaran call you support so that Koyanda Kanatli Bula, Kakalna Suto, and those things like that.
No, it will pick Jara, but even Jimara's problem, now be for je. From road, electricity, geo, nga be for je. In fact, that was my first statement. Kabrin Lord. Jimara la problem nga wale. And on the same thing, ka munkumbo parliament. Not only Jimaran call ko edun tilibulola, it cannot do sutola. Maybe they will pick.
But what special? Kamunda President Barrow Prani si alesi tabul kilonkon. At that point, I'm on special interest for Alaji Sowyana NPP.
Maybe alone nata NPP. That's gonna be a big plus for the NPP because Nya Jube, an opposition MP, Mumbota ate Frank Bota Dami. I bo patriota ala party join. That maybe he think that he's going to control Jimara, the entire Jimara. Odro.
So certainly you pose a threat on the president. Nina da support la in Jimara.
Ninata?
Yes, threat like pose like But why should you allow the president Yalonko at made the people stall? Like the National Assembly, the 6 million naming approve a kaita bankumola problem. He wanted to use you as somebody me Yalonko ete deputy world. You come here for the support declare on a store or on a meeting sponsored by the state. No. That is a way of defrauding the state.
No, Jara. Ate Baro ya lonne Baro yen lonne.
Well, you could have tell him, you know what, Mr. President, never made the people stall. On that note, inte manta sonna pour yeke moti mi alanko ngana support declare la nyindla do nyum jamman ke rally dina da meeting wala ke banko mol ke la problem moy.
Let me come meeting dulato now for jele when I was joining the GDC. Nenemam meeting or commanded that I'm going to the GDC. So if I am to leave the GDC, this is not the type of meeting where I will announce that I am leaving the GDC. Baro ya moile, momo nata ja moile. Ndetada je pour nyimu constitutional right I finti molu kan every ala mol jube ani mole kacha.
But that didn't happen. It a mol command. You know, ye mol command pour ini ye kacha and kanuman sana la keba and others mi alon ko benuje kamem fo walen kamunda be ko mo jankane fasala statement all men author in that meeting were all political sentiments. The
entire nationwide to alawo to be mu political.
And you were also complicit in helping the president.
No. I went there to represent the people of Jimar and to talk on behalf of the people of Jimar.
But had it been Yamera Niman close to the president corridor, Iman Sutianu president of corridor, do you think Kanuma would have that gut? About fit sotlal nunkafoko, Alaji Sofela, can support declare President Barrow?
Barisa and Kabrin Kanuman Diamda, Jomale Tonyafu. I'm just asking, Kabrin Kanumai Wofo, Kabrin Nada, Akeranyadi, 4 different mantraje. Afonya don't me like because he even called me a former MP of the GDC. Meeting Dulato.
But something must have transpired. Kule bantake janni meeting of Bekela. Wala they level you in that man.
There is not intending Kanuman Nenemansi Nakachang quote. Maybe they just saw me at the meeting and said now he is cross carpet. You see? Pantening Kanuman Nenemansi Nakachao quote, not only Kanuma. You see? So maybe that's the way he is doing his politics. But that doesn't make me. I am still GDC, 100% GDC.
So, akamunda President Barola call. I mean, ko meeting dulanyin. Ako akamalule ka lonko mofula. Me ya lonko fang akamunda wolbe banko nyinkane atene menboro tunde kilenka walka oppose wala opposition obije député ofana bi ako mu kule de mi ya lonko akamalu. Kabra was statement of author wala ayafo fo ko nyimandungal.
Nte de amandun de la dara Kabra afo. Because Nya Jube, the GDC party was formed before Baroeke presidential flag bearer for the UDP. Saying, ate monekata kabrin GDC lota monekata ma UDP bulaita GDC. By the mama bota jimar. Ama work. Fa nada APA UDP ake flag bearer. So alaw diamo amanna fasot. Atele nyanto itandi nun juna. Nyata lafta wala nun. Anyanta wala itandi nun je. Jamning abeta la president class solo.
Mama Kande, President Barrow jama bi na podium moment aka castigate wala ka jalela. Sometimes fang they are shooting the fang mo safa ka bulala na be diamula ala kwoli. Muna why is Kande so harsh on Barrow?
Mama $1 million ilejo. Pura idea.
$1 million.
$1 million. I will jo IEC $1 million. And hani saying hani transfer ma use purka diamo transfer mamba. So nyara Barrow silanta wa diamo la mama ma datika diam. Nata fo ele campaign e sija. So nunto mama nene man lo kabra party lo ay Barrow la tof. Gozo wato Barrow mantaraje. Wato akaya jammele kajas. I don't know kabasi
kajafi.
Okay, akawole criticize. But the same Barrow le bije. Fa woma because opposition olo. Barrow mala fola ita la majum house ita kordal wafi. Mamata mala
modo commenta saying ako ibe la last moment ibe wala enjoy kan National Assembly as Jimara la député ako carte fa men kana you will be voted out ibe bondila place ro mi yalon ko ibe wolto yamere ila place o amantra silanda ko on rew
wallahi hanisa ya 100% hanisa nying moy wo fo nya dam malo I will not be there ando ate manke alati.
No, but
Andumnya Jube Saman can Jimaram quote.
But no, perhaps Abra Jimara. I want to believe Abra Jimaran Yamira believe man traje, wala Jikobe Dame, wala Askeno Fang honorable many alonko Wellebe Jimara, many alonko Welleman Carte of a very common Alataba Alaka cool friend Sababol, Carte Fire more like a Carte of Fire. Do you think Yemen sort of in 2017 Kabiri K Tombo wala K elect as National Assemblyman, you can ever have such opportunity again?
I will have more than that opportunity, inshallah. ni ala sonta
So meaning you are very contest la kote wala be lola in the upcoming parliamentary election. You want
ni
to
ala
support
sonta ni ala sonta wo tuta jimaran kol bulu fawmbe lola ante lola bot
in
tuta
case ni
jimaran
boyta
kol la bot bulu
in case ni boyta then what's next?
what next I'm too young, there's a long way to go.
Then there's so what are you like can be la hope ma wara back, is it?
No 100%. I told you 100%. It's just the way you ask the question. Well, nanga answer unyama. You see?
So akamunda President Barrow ene ka fo ala kumol kon e ko December wala ntuma President Barrow mo molti mi yalan ko in fact next year wala ning sango nyem botala abakelet la councilolte in Julangel ward is a demotion president o mi yalan ka kra president ena ke councilor munatina iko wotam ñu use an yemun jikila soro ko President Barrow abe boyla
President Barrow hamankani de damma di Gambianol be alon ne abe boylal gosa mam fenke jamu yalan ko le ba winindil.
Well, President, we have the college in Basse mi yalan ka use
college those are built by this MRC Holland Foundation.
We have the Pasamas Road.
The Pasamas Road is constructed by Jamme.
So, Munad, what makes you believe that development is a process? Name President Oya inaugurate mo jamal bije ka attribute comme Adama Barrow development, including Fang ala Minister of Works.
Ka inaugurate ka dada o manke Clinton. Wo, ande be maybe mbe bungo lolo na jenge director je inaugurate. Pare adan tele ngalo. Well, muyalo wol balo na ala ile alo jarati. So Barrow is finished. Barrow is just a one-time president. I'm telling you, like Trump or what they call him, the former US president. It will be kulum kilon. It be betalal. Ate fanam betalal.
I call Kal Bulun Nyadile at the National Assembly. Initially, Kabirin Sangonyin Kumasita, or Kabirin 2017 Alnada, Deputy Lulu GDC, or so. Unfortunately, Allah killing of Jamie Alonko Obanta Alnada Mondan. As we speak right now, Akamund Atal Deputy Fuller than Malebe GDC, before they turn their back to GDC, while a Kodi GDC, the Kata President Barola party. Ninyo mumbata dala na fell in the house, and did you feel disappointed that only many along koya kumasino as GDC members yal the camp wala inya kasala iberal ko?
No, still now we are in good term. Ndol ni itol belo. Maybe itol ya jeko they were GDC say mala fi GDC la anymore they go to NPP. But then I really don't want to comment much because any other lung killing they work for the GDC party. It will be both Keba and Honorable Salif Jah of Jokadu. They are colleagues and they really work for the party. So now they are no more interested to be part of the party. That's between them and
but retaining your supporters is very important. I'm offended me along a kumata back a political carol. Nimol cattle the camp wale kaba alcono more saldi than all leadership abenyadil.
No, politics is like that, Jara. Politics nya jube dolukata dolukana. Because when GDC formed, Mojama bought a party also another GDC. When GDC was newly formed. NPP, when they were newly formed, Mojama bought a party also another organ. So, any BB new party do lot, model be bola party do to join. But that's politics.
Ngaja modern than BJMI along they made it to the NPP executive. Abe kono Dr. Sabali about GD. We have Mamba Jingjai all bomo let me along about GDC. They all be at a president and all by executive. Nya kono all be able to way all kon. Ni molla bo alla party kono kataka for party mami along atal be wala challenge the presidential election. Yamera nyimman threat pause alla support be solka.
No, nin doctor bota party or doctor le bota je. Ni mamba ni bota je, mamba ni le bota je. That doesn't mean GDC le bota je.
But they are supporters.
No, not their supporters. It all tada daming modol benala onyama. Their supporters are still with the party.
But baramalom nyunde.
Hani baramalom, but hani sa ila supporters. You cannot force your supporters to follow him. You can't convince doron nyaman song ya tuje. So still now, ntola supporters they are okay.
So kabirin president sita bayri to mirul ka fole ka for NPP ka molti mi ka kodol de di mola wala na mola ka kafuka where there any kodo beji at that point for kodo bije mi alon ka want to induce you wala ka wo kodo nyin ka itandila ka fo ni na tan kan I will offer you this wala menyen penkal was it
to be honest that never Barrow never offer me any single 25.
Then you will agree with me that communicate alej wala menka NPP to me ko ka kodol di mola o manke tonya.
I don't know, maybe Ole Ayel. Bonte to be honest kabunte nin baro sida baro nene man kodo itandi mol Pag nene man kodo itandi tema ando nene man promise ni bota jana be nyine kele ombe nyine di.
But this is what I'm saying. For many along ko walk over, then they are misrepresenting.
No, maybe
the fact.
they have evidence.
Evidence of what?
I don't know. It all like
But you went through the system. You can all convince
them. I can only speak for myself.
No, but you went through the system. You can all convince them if they don't give you any money, you can conclude that people normally come to their party at their own accord.
No, all mu it all ti. Nte malo it all nimbaro kachata munna. Bonte nimbaro kachata munna baro nene man kodo of antema. Baro nene man promise positional or nene man promise kudola. That never happened. So maybe it all come for something real or something where alanko is not true.
Do ananda isilande ako ita mo multimi alanko ni me hakilto be recall la wala ndo be murun la nan fay ye muru ya kamunda wala ye commande ko de ka bari man taka jimara represent comme nyande ke represent nyame akamunda mo fenede mi alanko ndu sano deputy advisory president am modi mi alanko abe o kuma kan siba mo safo e man satisfy ila do wala mi alanko ebe wala ki kan national assembly inin du alla ngaje wati jamal bije nin du diamta you also want to fire back ka kuma muru ndaka. What was your relationship with Du?
Du is a brother. Nin bentang kachagan ngajele ngata. But in terms of politics, we are not in the same party, though we are from the same constituency, the same ward. But in Du Damalum, I say this and I will repeat it. In Du Damalum, when I was doing the campaign, Du was there campaigning against me. When Kande and Barrow were doing the campaign, Du was in Jimara campaigning against Kande. During the council, Du was there campaigning against the GDC, but we were more abute. So Du la diamo mune kata manta ka woke. Let him go and try whether he can recall me. Nyama hakilo sate dol tijate kuduna jesa. I'm telling you, let him just try. And mune kata ma try. Hanisa.
Yeah, for no. Eko president waka segregation. Mi alonko wale moka fatam fanso na fe na molte ma meni alonko wale be jimara and as a good leader nyaton ko la criteria wala nduma ala quality sol kono daje ko kono moka molu unite wala ke kafundi nyola wala mfendi mi alonko wala faraman santaje. What muna ya triga wala muna ya sabu ite nyi statement on ya osa wala nyi nyamfano.
Na chairman bota next village after Mankamankunda. In fact, ala korda soto Mankaman. Sometimes akatara Mankaman, sometimes akatara ala sate or Sinchan Sambajao. Ka bring ala broda be manon in Sukro Talakan in Jimara. Atata I was sate be kordal be so for wala kordar. And there was a village after Sare Biro Mamanyola sate too. O Sade Jimara Sade Jamale o Mano Sodnum for village. That village also is a very strong hold.
But that is not the president. You said the president's brother. Eko president wa Dokoma wala fa.
But I was Sotominto. I was Mano Sotominto.
Perhaps I fangale okay pa.
No, but I was Mano Sotominto.
Ya fonu ila kumo kono le ko modul bije ka kuol kele atar no ko president wal buke bulala wala buka ba.
Lindo is a president's younger brother. I was Sotominto. I saw the president already. And I also support sort of president.
But perhaps president ma fa ko nita de kana modoso.
Okay, because all on I fingo fenfo or I fingo fenke, it will reflect back to the president. Nyata lafta president. Nyata then president ma fo then mune keta te work. Then I lafta la broda la totinyala. Nyata wala. I am so is from the president.
So ila faka fole ko modol bije mi alan ko men ka GDC support wal buka muna fango dul sur na bot nam president nyimbul because he mu GDC support ala.
Exactly, because even recently I can tell you in that village where my chairman come from, there is a project water from the water resources. Ye wo sate identify puruka geosoto from the water resources. Ate president la yonga broda wole tata je wo bolo bondi je yate nati Mankamankunda. Because I basin na je den ye pipol sabaka samba o sater.
But president wala Dokoma amo multi along among plus mara Mansakunda kono ano authority man trouble.
Yeah, but he is using that ndemu barola domat. Ate ka use. When Barrow was not there, nobody care about him. Nobody care about Barrow. But Barrow bije wole dinaka woke. Because nyata Barrow ti jate behind like our sater. Purka project change. So Molba Jubela is a younger brother to the president. That's the reason.
So as jande mol ka interview ni close afo mole sare bojo ila school ni na al halo be lar nyande ni mu school le mi yalan ko ala ko e mo jamal bija ay concern that
Sare bojo some years back na safero ke concerning about the school. There was three buildings. The other one Fonyole was Samba. Then atuta building fulala nindi ningol tata ibuka kun class hall kono. Iribabi je ikabasol nati ka fene. So ka bringa information o moi nga for na support adobe jem ko ay taje. Nyai di ningol tara siring ay nata let him send me the picture. Then atata je ay woke nga di ningol jube because o waton tol be sesono la atan be sitting ke kam parliament.
Okay.
So asen nga jube nga principal o nyin kol nga nyin ka ako wole be caring they don't have enough classes. Go farma race at the regional director ko race le nga committee mum marta school la sare bojo je fana ngawol nyin ka iko they write more than 2-3 times to the director but hani sign they don't respond ko okay then nga safe nga say on social media some newspapers ya captured ya safe I learned that the current minister of education munkeda basically ate kabra woje dorong wolma wilta ko ate fengol munke jimaran kolye hani sa nyingol yaje nyim ku keta jimara itol buka satisfy ate feng jamale kije so itol kanyin ku sifal ke social media for dol ka safe newspaper yaje bari na wo safero anin na wo finto pour kafo ay ku wulu jeda gos kabri aketa dorong less than 3 months MRC Holland je they started measurement ya dulai tandala je be sumang ya skulolo je sign they have a very good school now. Okay. From the Emerson Holland Foundation with teachers quotas, staff quotas. You see? So the school is very okay now.
Okay. Finally, Akamunda, I stand to be corrected if I'm wrong. Sate odo bije mi alon ko abela tundo bala mi alon ko jiboro wala kana ko mol batandi o ma fonye if that is your area sente sama fele a nyatlin nan kabiri muntu ma wo mol meta ka complain ko ko nyin akay batandi fo sente solution so taw problem wala ana nyim fomu sate jumal
anisa in solution man soto last time I visited the regional director of agriculture because it all kanyim project sifal soto
okay
tada je ako ila project all be phase out abari there is a project which is coming maybe new fudara they will consider that community wolum sare ngatanti
okay
tada je recently last year before last na bridge le loje I sponsor that bridge because na cemento le sanga bagaso sang ejelo so recently in tada je sang kontola hani kadungo sate kono size a problem in fact some of them have started moving ka o sate bulay finti
sare otondi
sare ngatam hani sa ngol be batari nyin sama e taraje buka fintino gos kasamas la sildo jiobe kanani wo sate la I finta eta sare mansong on the highway then eta bakon so still now will be batakon so diam the form batari
but for nyin concern no like concern ye ke raise at the National Assembly
exactly why not even I not only at the National Assembly I do go and raise it to the people who are concerned. Like Basa told the director of agriculture is there, he's the one responsible.
But
so these are all erosions. You see? Yeah, exactly. But disaster, so I don't think whether they can solve that problem. It's only the project which Agric is bringing. Maybe it all Damalebe will solve no.
Ela Mirofe, do you have a strong case for case Bambandingo be bulle with the AMM for no Kobe Modinol Men Sambala, while I be Molmealan Gabe Sambala Kitty, then revising court ni na yele ta cafe, I the voters card ni ya acquire illegally by this your mercy. Do you think you have a strong case?
Very strong one. In fact, not only me. There is most of the people we they have a very strong case against these issues. Because it's not only Jimara Kunung Tolbenga social media. There was another village, I don't know which part of the country, they were also issuing them with voters card. Exactly. So not only Jimar. And ungalon every concerned Gambian and yantang in Kualtala Lepura I stop. Because at the continent all.
So December 4th presidential election, GDC, Allah hope benyadile. Kamunta nyina second time di albina contest la wala albal double la carte fonyin. Allah hope abenyadile on December 4th presidential election.
Allah hope benyamin we will win the election. We baro bondi la jel.
Yama leo support be sifa so like a President Barrow ka dislodge wala ka bondi ala makamo.
Dol nga bondi fom pareda. Just mun to that wrong IEC are declare, but Barote, you already won the election.
So, mojama foite lata walantuma ite lata ko a single party like coming at the party was the President Barrow gagné no December 4th. Gamal bije quand même for or coalition dama is the solution pour ka incumbent bon in Africa. Pour party killing, you incumbent no bon amu fenet bialanga aka kole abake.
You think that if people are considering Barrow as somebody more difficult ka bondi wo kan jahalindile. But
well, he's the president.
Yeah, it's a president, Barrow president, 5 years, 4 years, 5 years president. Barrow ka bondi jaman kolea. Barrow even a single party ba off route la jang, ba bondi nolal. I'm telling you.
But is GDC the kind of party that can
GDC can remove Barrow. Let the other parties relax and tell him Barrow drombula. Ba bondi la. I'm telling you.
Baraka baka. Even mene fala mule mene yalan ko wala be jiverol.
Abarka jarang tentu bake ngejay nga Give Thanks TV fanan tentu anila staffol be nga badin jubelaru fanan tentu ngal jay anila mwelal be dawda Gambia anin Gambia la bantala. Ngamira nyimmu kuoti mu yalon ko anyanta continue not only me but it's always important. Journalist oli finti inin nyaton koli kacha ya lomune be kering banko kan andum fanan na kuma labamo be kelantol be ngalon registration o be kering munke da voters registration oti be Gambia be danila momo be daoda ye finti eta voters card nyini nyin December sita nata Barrow bondi banko e dia bari ñinga Barrow tuje dorong banko be kuyala dorong woto ngal tentu ngal jay be na borsin kol konto na mun keta na bors nyolti mun nga wo fo dum temam bors soto fo katambi jimaran kol woto nga jimaran kol tentu bake nga yuarar kol tentu na Gambia be tentu ngal be jay ala barka bake
ala baraka bake atal men ka Give Thanks TV jibe afele nala nga programme model de current reality honorable ala haji show nga ka jayi ka tendu wato men ta pour ka ñu opportunity na ka ca ko la mi yalon ko wala be kering comme nga fa le nyamen drom al kalina programme ñi al kali like you subscribe to our YouTube channel al kalina programme ñi français ya wal mo fenati mi yalon ko awe diala mo le nga jele al bake kan anda diata mo le bake barkal waklindi pour al yake fanam bake o nyama ala baraka bake al nal bani male Ibrahima Jara fo talata lu nga murda nga na programme di ala review janni wo ala baraka